going on, everybody? It's your boy Siam Funds again with another awesome video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a smoothie which is great for losing weight. Not only is it great for losing weight, but it's also great for detoxing and also other benefits in your body. Let me show you how I make it. Now, you can have the smoothie before or after your workout. It really doesn't matter that much because it will help you either way. If you have it before your workout, it's got high energy, so it'll really give you that boost, to help you last throughout your workouts. If you have it after your workout, it's packed with protein, so it will really also help with muscle recovery after that grueling exercise. Anyways guys, that's all for today. I hope you tune in for next time for another awesome video like this one. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get more notifications every time I post awesome videos like today's. Until next time, well, let me enjoy my smoothie. Boom.